Okay, it's March 8th, 2009, and it's time for everybody to go up. Most of the babies put themselves up. This is a structure Joseph built. Trey helped a little bit, and then on the last day, Joseph had a friend that showed up, and he helped throw a few nails in. But it holds about, let's see, it holds 2 ducks. They're right there, Daisy and Skeeter. It holds, well, 3 guineas sleep in here, but it would hold more if they wanted to sleep in here. The other ones are way up there. You shining at the tree up there? There we go, guineas up there. And about 40 to 60 chickens, approximately, because some get in the tree or some get in the other pens before we get out here. Sleep in here. The Americanas are a little stubborn, and we have to put them up still. Most of them up. We have about 35 Americanas, when you count the ones we had before this last shipment, and the ones we've hatched. But this cage is now 2 weeks old, and most of them, I'd say about 90% are putting themselves up. But otherwise, we're having to do this number.
I have to get the rest of them.
There we go. That's one of the little banties.
Actually, I don't think they're banties.
No, that's not this one.
Oh no, that's one of the ones we hatched. I thought it was a banty because I saw how small it was. I didn't know they were out. That's actually a Moran she just put up. What, Bogey? What? He's like, get that out of my light, Dad. It's about almost 8 p.m. Daylight savings time kicked in last night for us. Oh, she was about to get that mosquito hawk, or he. But it also houses 2 rabbits. I don't know if you can see behind that big Brahma right there. Oh, there's one. The Californians. And we just figured we'd throw them in here because it'd give them more of a natural setting. Did he nudge you in the rear end? He goosed you.
Got to go over there and nibble on that poor little chicken.
Skeeter likes to make people think he runs things. He's not. He thinks he is, but he's not. Yeah, they're in there kicking up a storm, looking for feed on the floor. That's really good for the video. Girls, I think tomorrow we're going to do some yard cleanup. Kind of get supplies together. Alright, go ahead and put it in there. How's the water? Okay. Noelle, go dump the corn in there. This one was its first time out today. It's about 4 weeks old, maybe? You got Sarah?
And Mudging.
Aww.
Daddy? This is chicken. This is my chicken.
And there's Sarah. She named her Sarah.
Okay.
Sarah the chicken. All the Sarahs in the world should be proud because these Brahmas are really good hens. What?